Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the maths class. Let's continue chapter 7, measurement. I hope you have done up to page number 96. Now we'll continue page number 97. So take out your books and do all these exercise in your book. Now first one is thick and thin. Thicker and thinner. Thicker means mota and thin means patla. Now out of these two brooms you have to choose, you have to tell which one is thicker out of these two. And in the second picture two trunks are shown, tree trunks are shown, and you have to tell which one is thicker. In both the pictures the second one are thick. Here you have to tick like this. Now here in this picture you have to tick the thinner. Out of these two arrows and these ropes you have to tick the thinner. Thinner spelling is THINNER. Learn spelling also. So the second arrow and the second rope in both the pictures are thinner. So tick mark on these pictures. Now thickest and thinnest. When more than two pictures or objects are there, you have to choose which one is the thickest and which one is thinnest. Spelling THICKEST and THINNEST is thinnest. Thinnest means patla, sabse patla. Then see the picture here. Here three pencils are shown, red, blue and green. Now you have to tick mark the thickest. So red pencil is the thickest, so tick mark on red. Now tick the thinnest. Now blue, orange and green brushes are there. You have to tick mark on the thinnest. So blue brush is thinnest out of all these brushes. Now next is heavier and lighter. HEAVIER, heavier. LIGHTER, lighter. Heavier means the one which is difficult to lift, and lighter which has less weight. So out of these two pictures, this lock and shirt, which one is lighter? Obviously the shirt, so tick mark on shirt. Now in the next two cylinders are shown, you have to tick on the lighter one. The smaller cylinder is lighter one, so tick mark on lighter. Now tick the heavier. Now kite and thread are shown, out of which is heavier? Thread roll is heavier, so tick mark on thread roll. And this blue and yellow fish, blue fish is bigger in size, so it is heavier, so tick mark on blue fish. Tick the heaviest. Now out of all these three you have to tick the heaviest. So the first one is heaviest, so tick mark on first. Now out of this tick the lightest. This hammer, almirah and one frog. So which is the lightest of all? Frog, so tick mark on frog. Now here again you have to three vessels are shown, you have to tick the heaviest. So the bucket is heaviest of all, so tick mark on heaviest. By mistake it is written heavier, it is heaviest, HEAVIEST. So this bucket filled with water is heaviest of all. Now here you have to use handspan to measure the longness of book and table. So take out any book and use your hand to measure. Now this girl is measuring her book and it is coming up to 3 spans. And in the next picture, boy is measuring the table and it is coming to be 7 hand spans. Now you can measure your own book and study table. Now in this picture, this girl is measuring blackboard, how long the blackboard is, and she is using pencil to measure. Now it is coming to be 3 pencils long. The length of the blackboard is 3 pencils long. This way you can also measure. Now guess the distance between the 2 trees. Now there are 2 trees are there and 2 boys are standing. Now you have to guess how many feet is it may be. It may be more or less, but I think it is 12 feet. So you also guess distances, see any 2 pictures and guess, and after that you check also. Measure again and check, and in this way you will come to know that your guess is correct or not. That's all for today. We'll do more in next class. Thank you. Have a good day.